Hi guys, so the topic of this video is coordinate geometry of the circle, and in particular I'm going to talk about points inside, outside or on a circle. Now I've wrote out the note on this already and I'm just going to talk you through it because it's so super easy. I don't think you need to see me doing a substitution. Okay, so if you're given the equation of a circle and you're asked to show that a point is inside, outside or on the circle, all you do is sub it in. Okay, and when you sub it in, if your equation of a circle was in this form here, x minus h to be squared plus y minus k to be squared equals r squared. If the point is on the circle, then the left hand side is going to be equal to the right hand side. You're going to get 4 equals 4, 10 equals 10, 2 equals 2, whatever. That's the same as what you would have done before. If you're trying to show a point is on a line, sub it in. Point is on a function, sub it in. Point is on a circle, sub it in. And if the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, then you conclude that it is on the circle. Okay, so what's new, however, would be shown if a point was inside the circle or outside the circle. When you sub your point, okay, your x value and your y value into your equation of a circle, if the left hand side is less than the right hand side, okay, LHS for left hand side or HS for right hand side, if the left hand side is less than the right hand side, then that means the point is inside the circle. Because remember, I showed you before where this equation of a circle comes from. It comes from the distance formula. We do distance from center HK to some point on the circle XY. And the radius is, of course, the distance from the center to some point on the circle XY. So if you sub, if the point is on the circle, then your radius squared is going to be the same as, the radius will be the distance from there to there. Okay, so left hand side will be equal to right hand side. If the point is inside the circle, then the distance between the point and the center will be smaller than the radius. Okay, and your radius is over here on your right hand side, so the left hand side will be smaller than the right hand side if the point is inside the circle. If you sub it in and the left hand side is bigger than the right hand side, okay, so your radius is the distance from your center HK to some point on the circle XY. If you sub a point in for XY and the left hand side there is bigger than the right hand side is where your radius is. It means that the distance from the point you're subbing in to the center is bigger than the radius, therefore the point is outside. Okay, we can do the exact same if we're working with equation of a circle in the form x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals 0. You just sub in your point. On the circle, left hand side will be equal to 0. Inside the circle, left hand side will be less than 0. Outside the circle, left hand side will be greater than 0. Another way to say that, of course, greater than 0 is if it's outside the circle, when you sub the point into your equation, you'll get a positive value. If it's inside the circle, when you sub the point into your equation, you'll get a negative. Negative. Numbers, not spelling, lads, yeah? Okay, and here I have made earlier a little example of each. Okay, so I'll upload these notes for my students. Example 1, investigate if the point 4, 1 is inside, outside or on the circle. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y plus 4 equals 0. All I have done is subbed 4, 1 into that. Okay, 4 in for x, 1 in for y. I end up getting 1 here on the left hand side. One is greater than 0, or this is positive, which means the point is outside the circle. Okay, left hand side greater than right hand side, point is outside the circle. This question down here asks me to show that the point 1 minus 2 is inside the circle. Equation of a circle, x minus 2 to be squared plus y plus 1 to be squared equals 4. Again, you just sub it in. Sub 1 in for x, sub minus 2 in for y. You end up getting left hand side less than right hand side. Therefore, the point is inside the circle. And that is that.